The Places of Worship, Special Provisions, Act, 1991, an act to prohibit conversion of any place of worship, and to provide for the maintenance of the religious character of any place of worship, as it existed on the 15th day of August, 1947. It extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Place of worship means a temple, mosque, gurudwara, church, monastery or any other place of public religious worship of any religious denomination or any section thereof, by whatever name called. No person shall convert any place of worship of any religious denomination or any section thereof into a place of worship of a different section of the same religious denomination or of a different religious denomination or any section thereof. Nothing contained in this act shall apply to the place or place of worship commonly known as Ram Janma Bhumi-Babri Masjid situated in Ayodhya in the state of Uttar Pradesh and to any suit, appeal or other proceeding relating to the said place or place of worship. The places of